You're gonna want to try these Fishcakes. Peel the potatoes, slice them into 8 pieces, and place them in a pot of water. Boil the potatoes on the stovetop with the lid on. Peel and dice an onion. Remove any layers that have gone bad.
Not as bad. Only a couple of layers to come off.
Fry the cod. Once cooked, add onions and savory on top. Check on the potatoes. If you can easily push through the potatoes with a fork, then they're done. Drain the water from the boiled potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Once mashed, add the butter and blend it in with the potatoes. Add the cod, onion, and savory mixture into the mashed potatoes and mix it all together. Fill a bowl with flour. Take a handful of mixture and make it into a small cake. Cover the fish cake with flour.
Alright, next.
Turn on the stovetop to medium heat. Coat a pan with oil. Place the fish cakes onto the hot pan and sprinkle flour on top of each cake. Once browned, then flip over the fish cakes and add more oil if needed. Once both sides are fried, then put the fish cakes into a baking dish. When all the fish cakes are ready, then serve and enjoy them. Goodbye, friend.